Hey you guys, we are back at it again with another wig tutorial. This time we're doing Outre Elara. This is a melted hairline wig, so if you like what it's looking like, stay tuned. I'll show you how to put it in.
Say that you miss me, just come get me.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is JenoviaRealle, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you for coming back to watch my stuff. So today we are doing a wig install. It's going to be a very quick wig install because this is supposed to be a glueless unit. I got me a new glueless synthetic wig. Yay. And this wig today is the melted hairline. Style is Elara. I think I'm saying that right. I have it in a 1B. This is 24 inches. And yeah, I've been wanting this wig for a minute. And go ahead and like the video before this even starts. Go ahead and like the video. Go ahead, do it. Okay, now subscribe. Okay, yes, thank you. All right, let's go ahead and get into the install.
Missy, the princess is here. Sierra.
This beat is
automatic, supersonic, hypnotic, funky, fresh. With my body so melodic, this beat rolls right through my chest. Everybody, Ma and Poppy came to party. Grab somebody, work your body, work your body. Let me see you 1, 2 step.
Okay, y'all, so I have a, I forgot what it's called, but where my forehead, the hair comes forward on my forehead. I don't have a straight hairline. It goes back and then it comes forward. So a low hairline, technically. Okay, y'all, this wig is supposed to be glueless. It just has the parting in the middle. So what's going to happen is, because I have a low hairline, so it's up right here, but it comes down low. It comes down past the hairline on the wig. The way I'm going to wear the wig is going to just be as a closure. So I'm not going to be able to, I might be able to shift it, but it's not that type of wig anyway. It's supposed to be worn in the middle. So with that being said, the way I'm going to cut, I might pluck this wig because I feel like the hairline is very straight. I don't know. We'll see. So just stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and install this wig.
And we will rock you. Jello make the boys say hello, cause they know I'm rocking the beat. I know you heard about a lot of great MCs, but they ain't got nothing on me. Because I'm 5 for 2, I wanna dance with you, and I'm sophisticated fun. I eat filet mignon and I'm nice.
Sound.
It on me, I love when you spin it on me. Know it to me, got me up in Givenchy. Before my love couldn't be bought, but now that's all I want. Give me a diamond, that's how you make it right. Trade me a silk and we would never fight. No, before I just wanted love, but now I just want you to spend it on me. Go right
So this is the finished look. It didn't take much for me to install this wig at all. Like, I didn't have to do, this is synthetic, so I don't have to do no customization, no curling, of course, because it's already curled. And this is the Outre melted hairline, and that's exactly what the hell it did, melted hairline. I swear to you, I didn't have to do anything to this. This is Elara 24 inches Outre. And it's virtually glueless. I put a non-slip like wig band under there with my wig cap, and then that was about it. Now the wig, the cap of the wig, I wouldn't consider it to be big head friendly. Not gonna lie. I'm combing out the curls right now because it is kind of big. It's the hair is kind of big. So with me combing it out, it is taming it. So yeah, but so far, let me push this back. So far, I really do like this wig. Like the lace, you can't even see it. Can't even see it. It's actually really gorgeous. Girl, guess who finna go out tonight? Moi. And it is just, you can just run your fingers through it for right now, because you know how synthetic wigs are. But I love the fact that I can just run my hair through, run my fingers through it. Let's look at the back. I'm 5'11", so let's lower this. And this is where it's sitting on me at 5'11". So this is the back. I sprayed a little bit of dry shampoo. I got a new dry shampoo from Bath and Body Works. So it can smell good and it'll look less shiny. I did spray right here, but it actually went away. So I like this. I love it. So I know when you move around and shake and stuff, it is gonna scrunch up and get kind of big. So just keep combing my fingers through it. But yeah, this is so cute. I'm gonna tame it a little bit more. I still have my flat iron on. Oh, nope, I don't. I'm turned off. But tame it down a little bit more. It is kind of lumpy right here. So make sure y'all, it's like actual like lump. So make sure y'all are pressing this thing out. Okay, you guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. I do wig tutorials every now and then. I do hauls every now and then. I appreciate you guys watching. The link to this wig is listed down below, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. And also I have an LTK store, so if you didn't know, you know, go ahead and follow that LTK. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I truly appreciate it. Bye.
Because I'm 5'2", I wanna dance with you, and I'm sophisticated fun. I eat filet mignon and I'm nice.